The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mazon, or near Coal City, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Braidwood and Diamond around 4:15 p.m. Shannon, Wilmington and Lakewood shores around 4:20 p.m. Joliet and Elwood around 4:25 p.m. New Lenox, Manhattan and Ingalls Park around 4:35
Braidwood's off of 57.
Mokina and Frankfort around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Preston Heights, Simon, Wilton Center, and Godley, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 248, Interstate 57 between mile markers 328 and 329, Interstate 80 between mile markers 133 and 143. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Why are we going the wrong direction?
Over Kankakee, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Manteno around 4:20 p.m. Moments around 4:25 p.m.
We need to be at a gas station.
Grant Park around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Sun River Terrace and Salmons Point, including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers.
How fast the water's rushing.
I'm going to find a restaurant. Where do you want to go eat at? Find one. I want to look up the Kankakee restaurants and find one we can go to.
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ingalls Park to near Cedar Lake to near Shelby, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Go straight past
Hail damage to
57.
vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sherville, Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Hebron, Dyer, St. John and Lake Valentine around 4:40 p.m. Highland, Griffin, Frankfort Square, Lakes of the Four Seasons and Camps around 4:45 p.m. Tinley Park, Marinville, South Mariso, Oak Forest, Alton, Palos Hills, Country Club Hills, Midlothian, Hickory Hills, and Palos Heights around 4:50 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
The tail.
Southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern until 5:15 p.m.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto McKnight Road.
We're located along a line extending from Minnesota to near Gardner, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicle.
Turn right onto McKnight Road, then turn left.
Wind damage to roof, siding, and trees.
Yeah, right there.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Joliet, Channahon, and Minnesota around 4:40 p.m. Wilmington, Coal City, Shores,
Turn left,
and
then turn left.
4:45 p.m. Lakewood Shores around 4:50 p.m. Manhattan around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include South Wilmington, Godley, Simon, East Brooklyn, Essex, Carbon Hill, and Wilton Center, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 226 and 249, and between mile markers 251 and 255. Interstate 57
Head
between
west.
mile markers 329 and 331. Interstate 80 near mile marker 120, and between mile markers 123 and 126. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and northeastern Illinois. For
Your destination is on the right.
a room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and northeastern Illinois.
Here we go. Right here is the strongest flowing part of it. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles southwest of Waukegan Harbor to 7 nautical miles west of Midway Airport to 8 nautical miles southeast of Joliet, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high wind. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, St. Joseph, and Michigan City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Indiana, southwestern Michigan, and adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Time or 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wichita or near Valparaiso, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include LaPorte, Westville, Walkerton, North Liberty, Kingsford Heights, Wanata, Hanna, Kingsbury, Byron, Thomaston, South Center, Kinhook, Salem Heights, Fish Lake, South Wanata, Tracy, Stillwell, Union Mills, Haskell, Panola. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central and Northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central and Northwestern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte and St. Joseph. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western St. Joseph County, Indiana, Stark County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Marshall County, Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, southern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 miles east of Navy Pier near Merrillville to Lowell, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include South Bend, Michigan City, LaPorte, Westville, Buchanan, Knox, Trail Creek, Bridgman, Walkerton, North Liberty, New Buffalo, New Carlisle, Berrien Springs, Three Oaks, Kingsford Heights, Long Beach, Evansville, Wanata, Hamlet, and La Crosse. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 38 and 73. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 33 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 23. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central and Northwestern Indiana and Southwestern Michigan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph and Stark, and Berrien, Michigan.
Look.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, central LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Valparaiso, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Westville and Wanata around 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kingsford Heights around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include South Center, Kinhook, Salem Heights, Haskell, Fish Lake, South Wanata, Hanna, Tracy, Stillwell, and Kingsbury.
Oh, damn.
Take cover now.
This fucker needs to
Move
get away
to a
from me
basement
so I
or
can
an
see
interior
this.
room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the
Dude
closest
behind me so I
substantial
can see
shelter
what
and
I'm doing
protect
because the
yourself from
goddamn
flying
lights are
debris.
right in my fucking
Heavy
mirror.
rainfall may hide this tornado. Do
Yeah.
not
Need
wait to
turn on
see or
30
hear
or
the
some
tornado.
shit.
Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte and Stark.
That's one county over from us.
Damage, I think.
This is a tornado watch. Tornado watch number 98 remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, and now includes the following county: Elkhart, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan: Cass and St. Joseph. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hey everyone, we're here. Up there, we are here in south, where State Road 10 and State Road 19 south of Edna Green, Indiana. We have a strong supercell up there. Intense lightning shows up and about there. He came from Kankakee, Illinois. He got hit with a major hailstorm there. It was in the first part of the compilation, you should see. And yeah, we'll keep you updated as severe warnings come on in.
Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern White County in northwestern Indiana, Fulton County, Indiana, Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Cass County, Indiana, southern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, southern Marshall County, Indiana, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near La Crosse to near Wheatfield to near Rensselaer, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rochester, Winnipeg, Monmouth, North Judson, Argus, Culver, Franceville, Royal Center, McNairyville, Pulaski, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Ripley, Kewanna, Fulton, Monterey, Beardstown, Maiden Lake, Clarkson, Star City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Indiana.
Oh, let's get
For your
bad that way.
protection, move to an interior room on the
The
lowest
light
floor
are
of a building.
dark.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Marshall County, Indiana, east central LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kingsford Heights, or 8 miles southeast of LaPorte, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near North Liberty around 10:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Go to Boyer Park in Lakeville around 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Freeman around 10:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include
right
Tea Gardens, South Center, Salem Heights, La Paz, Fish Lake, Tracy, Stilwell, Kingsbury, Wyatt, and Woodland.
Japanese in Elkhart County, right? Or
Covered now.
Kosciuszko.
Move to
It's
a
right
basement or
across
an
state
interior
line.
room on the lowest floor of a
I think
sturdy
it's
building.
Southern Elkhart.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, and St. Joseph. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, eastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Niles near Boulevard Park to near Culver, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include South Bend, Elkhart, Mishawaka, Goshen, Warsaw, Plymouth, Napanee, Winona Lake, Bremen, Knox, Syracuse, Boulevard Park, Granger, Dunlap, Simonton Lake, Mapletree, Osceola, Walker, North Liberty, and Bourbon. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 73 and 108. Tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central, Northeastern, and Northwestern Indiana and Southwestern Michigan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark. This is a tornado. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, central Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Paulding County, Ohio, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Woodburn, or 7 miles southwest of Vicksville, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hicksville around 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Defiance around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following county: Allen, Indiana, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Paulding. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, northern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, Williams County in northwestern Ohio, Fulton in northwestern Ohio, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Edgerton in Williams County to near Hicksville, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bryan, Wauseon, Archbold, Montpelier, Swanson, Hicksville, Butler, Delta, Edgerton, West Unity, Stryker, Fayette, Eden, St. Joe, Holiday City, Edgerton in Williams County, West Jefferson, Pulaski, Farmer, and Metamora. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 10 and 48. A tornado remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following county: DeKalb, Indiana, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. A severe thunderstorm warning.
Good
Leave that
sign.
on, leave that on.
Good sign.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, northwestern Williams County in northwestern Ohio until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northeast of Jonesville to near Eden, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsdale, Jonesville, Pioneer, Eden, Jerome, Somerset, Cambria, Pittsford, Musco, Ransom, Waldron, Camden, North Adams, Bear Lake, Prattville, Lake Wilson, Lake Seneca, Shady Side, Osseo, and Bridgewater Center. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 2 and 11. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hillsdale, Michigan, and Williams, Ohio.